we must remember who the real enemy is. What are we defending?
Climate activist Greta Thunberg was acquitted on Friday of a charge of refusing to follow a police order to leave a protest blocking the entrance to a major oil and gas industry conference in London last year. The courtroom gallery erupted with applause as Judge John Law told Thunberg and her 4 co-defendants to stand and told them they were cleared of the criminal charge of breaching the Public Order Act. The judge cited significant deficiencies in the evidence presented by the prosecutor. Law said the police could have applied less restrictive measures and did not properly define where protesters should move, while their order to disperse was so unclear that it was unlawful. Individuals who did not comply therefore committed no offence, according to the judge. Law also granted defence lawyer Raj Chadda's request for the government to pay legal fees and Thunberg's travel costs once the bills are submitted. She had faced a fine of up to £2,500 if convicted in Westminster Magistrates Court of violating the act that allows police to impose limits on public assemblies. The conditions imposed on the protest were unclear, uncertain and unlawful, Chadda said outside the court. The government should stop prosecuting peaceful protesters and instead find ways to tackle the climate crisis. The October 17 protest was one of many in the UK against fossil fuel producers that have led to criminal charges. Some demonstrations have disrupted sorting events, caused massive traffic jams, or created shocking spectacles to draw attention to the climate crisis. But the judge noted that the demonstration attended by Thunberg, 21, was peaceful, civilized, and non-violent. The Swedish environmentalist who inspired a global youth movement demanding stronger efforts to fight climate change was among more than 24 protesters arrested for preventing access to a hotel during the Energy Intelligence Forum attended by some of the industry's top executives. Thunberg and other climate protesters have accused fossil fuel companies of deliberately slowing the global energy transition to renewables in order to make more profit. They also opposed the UK government's recent approval of drilling for oil in the North Sea off the coast of Scotland. Thunberg left the court on Friday without speaking to journalists, walking past more than a dozen cameras and then sprinting down the sidewalk with her friends. "We must remember who the real enemy is," she said in a short statement after the first day of trial on Thursday. What are we defending? Who are our laws meant to protect? Thunberg rose to prominence after staging weekly protests outside the Swedish parliament starting in 2018. Last summer, she was fined by a Swedish court for disobeying police and blocking traffic during an environmental protest at an oil facility. She had already been fined for the same offence previously in Sweden.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.